Hi guys, today I'll be drawing my LOL Sleepy Barks. So let's get started. Before we get started, I got my eraser, a pencil. Now we can go draw. So I'll be drawing this part of the hair. Like, see it? That little string there? Yeah. Now I'm going to draw like the head. Now the hair like for up there. And then I'm going to do this part of the hair. It's close to braids, and now I'm going to draw the braid. Now I'll be drawing this white part, then her nose. Now I'll be drawing the eye. Now I'm going to draw the other eye. Now I'll be drawing the nose. Now the mouth. Now I'll be drawing the cute shirt. Now I'll be drawing like this part of the shirt. Now I'll be drawing the leg. Now I'll be drawing those stripes on your shirt. Oopsie, we almost forgot her cat ears. Okay. Notice this. Guys, we're done. The LOL picture. And now, and guys, since she's an LOL, we're gonna write LOL. LOL. Guys, I completed my LOL doll, and make sure you like our video. And this is just a question: do you have an LOL doll? Well, make sure you subscribe and like my video. Bye.